I'm Jodie Wallis. I am the Managing Director for Applied Intelligence at Accenture in Canada. And today I will be talking about scaling artificial intelligence to create value for an organization. In my opinion, AI is an excellent way to help organizations both reduce cost and increase revenues. And I think what has been happening with organizations recently is they're caught up in a cycle of experimentation, proofs of value, and pilots. And the issue is, how do you take those great ideas and start to scale them? That's the missing link right now. We did some research recently and we compared what we call strategic scalers, so organizations that have figured out how to move from proof of concept to production. We compared strategic scalers to their peers and found that scalers that do it right are able to achieve nearly 3 times the return on investment from their AI investments as their peers. P&L owners are the ones who should care the most, more so than the CDOs or the CIOs. If you think of the supply chain, for example, and the ability to get goods and ship goods around the country and around the world, AI can really help with things like pricing optimization, fulfillment optimization. And these are things that add dollars and cents to the bottom line in terms of really reducing costs. There's lots of good examples with GCP at the core. A global shoe retailer realized they were losing money because they were not able to sell all of the product in each of their 3,000 stores. So what we did was we applied AI in order to figure out what was the optimal way to fulfill online orders that not only considered the 1 or 2 warehouses that existed per country, but also considered all of the stores as virtual warehouse adjuncts. We assessed not only what inventory was available in each store, but what was the cost of shipping from that particular store to a person's home. What was the likelihood that another consumer would come into that store and want the same shoe in the same size. So by looking at the problem from many, many different angles, using data not only about fulfillment itself, but also to really save them money in terms of how many of the shoes ended up stuck in inventory at the end of the season. Scaling AI, the right time is now. And I'm Jodie Wallis.